Hello everyone, welcome to our pre-calculus pre-recording video. In this video we'll discuss about the solution of this practice paper. So this is the quiz time. And so for the first one, this is sine 45 tan 30 degree. This is the value of sine 45 degree and tan 30 degree. We just multiply them and we do not have anything else to do in this case, so basically that will be our answer. This is in exact form, so you cannot use the calculator directly here to find out the answer. This one is also similar. Likewise, as you can see, this is sine 60 degree value. So you put sine 60 degree, 2 cancel out, so you have root 3. 3 cancel out, so you have root 3. Root 3 minus root 3 equals to 0. That's why this answer is 0 here. In this case, now you can use the calculator. Sine pi by 8. So pi means 180 divided by 8. 180 divided by 8 means 22.5 degree. Then sine 22.5 degree from the calculator is 0.38. This is tan 1. Tan 1 equals to what? First of all, this is given in the radian, so we have to convert it to make it to degree if you have the degree calculator, or if you have the radian calculator, you can do it directly. Directly your answer will be this. So this calculation comes from 1 radian equals to 180 divided by pi degree. 2 radian equals to 2 into 180 divided by pi. 3 radian equals to 3 into 180 divided by pi. So that's that rule we can use here to find out the solution. Now there is a given point. There is a point given here 2 comma minus 3. So you put 2 comma minus 3 in the coordinate system. Then we can find out the length of the hypotenuse. So once if we find out the length of the hypotenuse, we can actually then do the calculation, other things to find out the other trigonometric ratio, as you can see it here. So this is from here positive 2, then minus 3 is here. So if it is 2, if it is 3, then we can find out this equals to 2 square plus 3 square. So hypotenuse equal to square root of 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 plus 9 equals to root 13. And this is our adjacent side. This 2 is the adjacent side and minus 3 is the opposite side. Then we use the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta 336 total 6 value by using the SOHCAHTOA formula. Then for this one, this is sin theta equals to given this, cos theta equals to given this. So to find out the tan theta equals to sin theta divided by cos theta, we divide both of them and then rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, up and down we multiply by root 3, which gives us this. Sin theta equals to 1 by 2, so cosec theta equals to just 2. We just flip it. Then sec theta equals to 2 by root 3. Sec theta equals to cos theta equals to root 3 by 2, so they will flip for the sec theta. These are the, as usual, common rule for finding other trigonometric ratios. For this one, sin theta equals to given minus 2 by 3, and theta angle is given between pi and 3 pi by 2. So how to find out that? So once you have this, you see this angle is between pi and 3 by 2. That means angle is here, somewhere here in this quadrant. So you draw this thing. This is minus 2 by 3. So 3 is our hypotenuse, because sin theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is minus 2. So minus 2 is this side. Then we have to find out this side equals to. This is our 90 degree, and this is our theta. So this equals to 3 square minus this minus 2 whole square. So basically it will be root 5. Root 5 will be this. Once it is root 5, then we can use the formula to find out the other solutions. We can find out the other solutions. So this thing is like using the SOHCAHTOA formula. We can find it out. Then matching the graphs with the function. So you have a couple of graphs here. We have to match it with the function. And in this case, this is the matching. Answer is here actually. So let's say this is the period of the function. This is the this is the amplitude of the function, and to find out the period we use this thing, like t equals to 2 pi divided by omega, t equals to 2 pi divided by omega equals to this value, this is the omega value, this is the omega value, and this is the amplitude. Amplitude is this. So you put 2 pi divided by omega equals to 2 pi by 2, then 2 goes up, then pi cancel out, so we have 4 here. So our period is 4 here, which is this one, D number. So D number graph is matching with this one. 1, 2, and 5, 6 will match here, and 3 and 4 will not match with these graphs, and they are just somewhat extra here. And in your in the exam there will be like 4 graphs and 3 function. Okay, so 1 graph will be extra. You will have to see that carefully. This will be 1, and this is the correction here. So this is the answer. Graph A is matching with this one. B is matching with this one from here and here. Okay. So these are the answers. For this question, this is a sine function or cos function. First of all, we have to look at that. Is it a sine or cosine function? Then we can look at what is going on here. So in this function, this is our amplitude is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is going up to 6. That means our amplitude is 3. And this is actually a cosine function. So let's write cosine here. This is not a sine function. This is a cosine function because the graph starts from there, so it must be a cosine function. So how to find out the omega here? Omega equals t equals to 2 pi by omega, so 4 pi, this is 4 pi. So 4 pi equals to 2 pi divided by omega. So omega equals to 2 pi divided by 4 pi. So basically we get half here. So this is why half is the answer. So half is the answer. So this is the correct answer here. For this one, this is a sine graph. Amplitude is 1, 2, amplitude is 2, and the graph went 1 unit up, and this is 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 equals to 2 pi by omega. So omega equals to 2 pi by 4. So pi by 2. So pi by 2 is the answer. Pi by 2 is the value of omega. So we put them here and we get the solution. These maths for this one, we just have to put all the value here. 50 degree, 25 degree is the value of theta. 500 degree is the value of speed. The speed g equal to 9.8 when it is meter per second. Then we find it this way, like this. And this one is also, we follow the same process. We just put the value and do the calculation here. We have to put 32.2 here because this value is in feet per second. This value is in the feet per second. Find what is the value of range when the range will be maximum. Range will be maximum when sin theta is 1, because sin theta value can be maximum 1 here. Sin theta value can be maximum 1 here. So that is the reason. So that's why this is 2 theta, so theta must be equals to, this is 2 theta, so theta must be equals to 45 degree. That is it. 45 degree. Because 2 theta, so if you put 2 into theta equals to 90 degree, so total becomes 90 degree. And that's why 2 theta equals to 90 degree, so theta must be equals to 45 degree. That means if you kick a ball at 45 degree angle, then it will go to the maximum distance. It will go to the maximum horizontal distance it will cover. If you throw it at an angle more than 45 degree, let's say 70 degree, then it will go too up, then it will just fall. Like that. At 45 degree, it will go maximum. This is telling us that. For this question also, A value, G value, theta value, all values are given. We will just have to put in the function and then do the calculation. As you can see, both value is same, and the reason is actually here. here this side is not specified, so when the angle becomes larger, then the side also becomes larger. That's why it comes actually falls longer distance. Even though the height is longer, height is bigger, angle is bigger, still it goes for the it falls a bigger height. It falls a bigger height. That's why look, the normally 30 degree and 60 degree. If something is 60 degree, then that thing will fall fast. You know, inclined plane, you will notice it. If you drop something in an inclined plane, for 30 degree it will come slow, but for 60 degree it will come fast. But our question is, why then is this value is same? And the answer is, when 30 degree when it is 30 degree, then it is like this. 60 degree like this, but 60 degree this side also increases. That's why the object actually falls longer distance. So although the time is same, but actually in this case it falls longer distance in this case. And the last one here is about this. Not last one actually. We have another one also. Similar like was just we put the value of theta and the value of other values and do the calculation. This is centimeter cube. And why the value needs to be between 0 degree and 30 degree, 90 degree? The reason is you can go for any of this region. Shape no longer becomes cone, then it becomes negative, or any other sensible answers. 90 degree to theta, because 90 degree at 90 degree tan theta becomes undefined. There is tan here, then it becomes undefined. So there are many reasons actually which is possible. This one is about the AC generator. So amplitude is 220 and the period is, we use the formula 2 pi divided by 120 pi, 2 pi divided by omega, so we get the period. Then for this formula, I equals to P by R, 220 divided by 10, so cancel out 22. Then we make the function. By the way, this is the answer of B number, but this thing we need to answer the C number. Okay, so this is not the answer of that question. Then we make this function again 22, and everything is just like the previous question, just like this given question. So just new amplitude just changed, but period is still the same, because 2 pi divided by omega is 125, and then we cancel out, we get 1 divided by 67. Alright, so that's all. This is the quick recap on these answers and solutions. Many people actually already have solved it and have sent the answers. So thank you very much. And those who did not yet send the working, please still you have to. Although I will post it very soon, you will see it when you watch it. But still you will have to submit your work if you haven't done it. Okay, if you have to submit your homework on this, because I need your practice working. Answer I already know. I don't need your answer. I need your practice working. Do you understand? For the working. But in the actual exam, you will just write the answer. Oh, let me tell you this important thing. In the actual exam, in the Google form, you will just write this line. Just this line. Not everything. Because if you write everything, you will not have time for the exam. And if you want to show me all of your working later after the exam, you can send me the picture. Okay, but you have to send the picture within the half an hour of the exam finish. Not more than that. Preferably 10 to 15 minutes, within 10 to 15 minutes of the exam finish. If you send me your exam paper working, okay? But in the actual exam, you will write only the answer. Alright, so thank you very much. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day and best of luck for the exam.